Hello guys, I bought this and I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm not. I don't know what it is. It's in this. Oh, it came in this. I don't remember what I ordered. Oh, I ordered this from Amazon. Oh, I ordered this from eBay. That's what this is. It's my stuff from eBay. I eBayed these 2 cassette tapes. I got Hangin' Tough, in mint condition, and Step by Step by New Kids on the Block. I'm so excited to listen to these. This tape was my favorite back in 1989. I listened to this tape so much for my 10th birthday, after my 10th birthday, that I broke it. It broke. It might have even got it for my 9th birthday, but I listened to it so much that it broke. So, my next video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy. But this is what I got on eBay. I was wondering what this was. This was fast. I like ordering cassettes. It's only got a little sticky stuff here, but I'm not worried about that. But it's awesome. I can't believe I got these. I'm so excited. Okay, now, that's what I got off of eBay.